Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you recipes for 3 different energy balls: choco and orange, salted caramel, and coconut strawberry. First one is cocoa and orange that is filled with nuts and dates, plus you have this amazing flavor of orange combined with cacao powder. It's super easy to make, just mix nuts until you get these little pieces. Add cacao, cinnamon and mix until combined. Then you're adding soft dates and mix until it combines into dough that sticks to when you press it with fingers. For orange flavor, I've added cold pressed orange oil, but you can add orange juice about 2 tablespoons and orange zest. Be careful not to add too much orange juice because you will end up getting too wet and soggy dough. If on the other hand it's too crumbly, add a little bit of water, form balls and put them in the fridge to settle. Next one is another super simple recipe, as they all are. It involves soft dates, peanut butter, coconut flour, coconut oil and salt. Be generous with salt as it is a big part of this flavor combination. You definitely must try these ones. They are super delicious, but the recipe is reserved for peanut lovers. When you mix everything in a food processor, form balls and store them in the fridge. Third recipe is for these coconut paradise balls that are combined with freeze-dried strawberries. This recipe does not involve dates, so if you're not a big fan of dates, this is the perfect recipe for you. For this recipe, you need to soak cashews in hot water for about 10 minutes. Then you drain them and mix with coconut flakes until crumbly. Then you add coconut butter and maple syrup. Mix until they start to combine. Then you add freeze-dried strawberries, mix and form balls. Also put them in fridge to firm up. So that's it. I hope you will try at least one recipe and feel free to share your thoughts about the recipes. And please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye until next time.